Guys, Mike here. Well, today I know you guys like to see the first furnace starts of the winter season or heating season. So I mean, it's not quite heating season yet, but I'm gonna give it a start today. Unfortunately, thank you, 84 Random Dude. This video actually goes out to you. He reminded me, and I unfortunately did a startup today, but didn't do a video of it. But I didn't run it for that long, so you know, I just did that to burn the smell off. But I'm going to go down right now, and it's pretty cold out, so I'm going to give it a start. And my parents are at a friends reunion thing in Queens, New York, so I'm basically home all day. They should be back around 10, 9:30. And since it's cold out today, I'm taking advantage of that. I got my windows open, and I got my window fans in. I got the 6-inch Dayton ring fan up here, and I got the 12-inch Dayton ring fan downstairs. The 9-inch, the brand new Dayton window fan I got from eBay was in from this morning until around 4, and then I put the 12-inch Dayton ring fan in. Just swap fans, you know, get all my fans running and stuff. This one's been running since yesterday actually, so over 24 hours. Motor's still hot, you know. Can't put my hand on there too long, but they're fine. We'll go downstairs now, and you can hear the other fan running. I walked the dog. I fed Maggie, so. Yeah, fed her, walked her. I'm going to walk her again at 7 o'clock. And just taking care of things around the house. Take a walk for myself after this while the video's uploading probably. Here's the 12-inch. Motor's really hot actually. Yeah, it's pretty hot. It's working good though. Those motors get hot like that because they're enclosed motors. So they really don't have much ventilation to, you know. So, I'm gonna put you on, I think this, or if I can find something else, and we'll give you a startup, unless I put you right here, and that'll be perfect. Well, actually, I'd like to put you a little lower, so there's the pilot. You can see, yeah, there's the pilot. If only I could put you, you know what? I don't know if this is going to work, but I'm going to try to put you right here. I think that's absolutely perfect. That camera better not fall. We'll just wait until the blower starts. Let her heat up. The cracking is just the heat expanding the metal. Somebody asked about that in the last furnace startup video. It's September 17th today, and they're coming to check and service this unit September 20th or 30th. So we'll find out what's going on with all of our stuff then. We also want to change out the water heater to a 75-gallon. It's currently a 50-gallon. With the blower. Here she goes. All right. Ow. Yep. Let's go upstairs. Ooh, it stinks. It still stinks. Yeah, it's nice and warm. It still stinks too. Thanks for watching, guys.